Hello. Now that you have your R-Invoice in front of you, let's set up the payment. Type in payinvoice.unitedcorporate.com to access the payment page. You may also visit our website and look under the Client Tools and Resources and click Pay My Registered Agent Invoice. Your 6-digit invoice number can be found in the upper right side of the invoice, beginning with the letter R. Take the numbers only and insert it into Invoice Number section. Then enter the first 5 letters of the company in the next box. Remove all the special characters. Once you've properly entered all required information, you'll be taken to the next screen, which summarizes all the information provided. After confirming all information is accurate, click the Continue button. Should this information not match up with your invoice, select Clear to reset. After clicking Continue, the next page will display a summary of states being represented, along with the billing period and total amount currently due. Note the billing period does not represent the anniversary date of the registration of your company or when annual reports are due. If you have multiple invoices that you'd like to pay, you may also enter them here by adding the invoice number and the first 5 letters of the name of the company for each. Now that you've reviewed the invoice information, you may click Checkout to proceed with payment, which takes you to this page. Enter the credit card information. This page accepts American Express, Discover, MasterCard, and Visa. If you prefer to pay by phone or ACH, please contact our Accounts Receivables Department at 800-899-8648. Once you submit payment, an email confirmation will be delivered to the email address provided. You're all set. For further questions, please contact our Registered Agent Department at 800-899-8648, extension 162, or registeredagent@unitedcorporate.com.